So I guess you will be completing it later, right, Tala? Or are you writing now?
No, I'm writing in a notebook now.
So did you understand this?
Yes.
Girls, finish. Can I go to next question? Go to this question. That is question number 4. No, let us start with question number 3. Let us begin with question number 3. Oh no, do you have 4, right? These questions at page 239, I'm not going to do it. Go to page 240. Okay, so what percent? The question is, they have shown you artistic ability and dominant hand. Okay, artistic ability means here they have selected how many people draw with the right hand and left hand. Okay, their ability of using which hand. Now, what percent of people surveyed have artistic ability? Now, that means they're talking about the total, yes. Artistic ability, yes. Artistic ability, no. The question is, what percent of the people surveyed have artistic ability? Tell me, how many have artistic ability, girls? 122, 101 or 223? Yes? Look at the question. They said, yes, they have. Yes, no, they don't. So how many have? 101. Thala, are you getting it?
Yes.
101 people, they have artistic ability. So I put 101 over. What will I put in the denominator, Namar? 101 over what? Yes? Can you see from there? No? Yes? Can you see? Okay. So 101 over 223 multiply by 100. This is how I find percentage. Tell me the answer. Tell me answer, girls. When you divide 101 and 223, what do you get, Noor? 101 over 223. 0.425 452, okay? When you multiply with 100, what happens? The point moves here. Multiply with 100, you will get the answer. It's like almost 45%, okay? Next question. Thala? What percent of left-handed people surveyed have artistic ability? Left-handed. How many they have artistic ability? Yes and left hand. Come on, where is it? What is that number?
86.
86, very good. So I will do 86 over what?
45 or
No, no, I will only
131.
do, because they just ask you left-handed people. So I will take the total of only left-handed people. Did you get it? I will
Yes.
take only left-handed people. So I'll take 131, not 223. Because here they ask you both left and right, the total. That's why I do 101 over 223. If it's 86, it will be over 131. Multiply by 100. What is 86 over 131? Okay, so it's almost like 65.6, that is 66%. It's 66%. Hmm? Yes, multiply by 100. Here I multiplied with 100, then I got it. Look at the question, how they are twisting it. Same, what person of, they here, they ask you only left-handed people. Okay, here what percent of the people, not left-handed people, of all the people. Okay, what percent of the people who have artistic means? Yes, these people who have artistic ability and are left-handed. So total, how many have artistic ability? Total, how many people have artistic ability? No, total I'm asking you. Total 101 have artistic ability. Total, how many people? Because see, what is the question? Once again, let me explain you. This question, girls, they have asked you what percent of left-handed people, how many left-handed people are there? 86. Surveyed have artistic ability. How many people have artistic ability? Total number of people who have artistic ability. 101, very good. So we'll do 86 over 101. Now you see the difference, girls. What is this question? What percent of the people surveyed? How many people surveyed were left-handed? No. This is not this question, girls. We are doing sixth one. What percent of the people? They are asking you the number of people. That is 101. And left-handed, they are 86. So it's question number 6, girls, not 5. And tell me the answer. 86 over 101 multiply by what do you get? 85%. I was just thinking about you, Majrin, just now. And she entered. Oh my God. What happened? Are you upset with something? What? School? You didn't want it to come. Really? Is that the reason you're upset? That's why you're banging things. Hmm? Okay, yalla. Take out your book now. Good girl. If you understand one question, khalas, you will understand the lesson. That's true. In a group of 120 people, in a group of 120 people, each person has dog, a cat, or a bird. The two-way frequency table shows how many people have each kind of pet. Page 241. You know how to find percentage? Do you know how to find percentage, Majdaleen, or no? Like example, there are 25 dogs out of 58. 25, sorry, not dogs, two-way, this is gender. 25 men, they prefer dog out of 58. So how do you find percentage? Or 25, see, in a group of 120 people, each person has a dog, a cat, and a bird. The two-way frequency table shows how many people each kind of pet. Complete the two-way relative frequency. Relative frequency means I need in percentage to show the distribution of the data to all 120 people. You are comparing every time to 120 people. Like, see, how will I get the percentage of 25? I will 25 over. How many people are there? How many people are there? 120. That means part by whole. Part is 25, whole is 120. I multiply by 100. What do you get? I don't think so you have calculated. Do you have? Yalla, do it. 25 over 100, 25 over 120 multiply by 100. What is your answer? Girls, we need to finish it quickly. 1 minute. 25 over 120. What do you get? $25 over 120. 25 over 120. Do again in decimal points. Okay, this if I multiply with 100, what do you get? Multiply 100. If you multiply 100, this moves and it's 20.8. Did you understand this? First, you take the number, you divide with the total, because what did they ask in the question? With respect to all 120 people. All of this table we have to do with compared to the total. So there's a formula that is part by whole multiplied by 100. This is the part, this is the whole, and you multiply by 100. If you do this in the calculator, you get all these values: 27.5%, 48.3%, 16.7%. Please write down. 12.5%. Still, if you don't get it, I'm going to explain you. Please let me know. Okay, I will give you one, Majdi. Tell me, how do I find the percentage of this? 15. I'll write 15 over, then multiply by Yalla. Do it and check if you are getting the same answer as I am getting it. And the best thing is when you add all of it, you must get 100%. Now, there are 55 vehicles in a parking lot. The two-way frequency table shows data about the types and colors of the vehicles. Complete the two-way relative frequency table to show the distribution of data with respect to color. With respect to each color, not the total, okay? Like, if it's 15, it's not respect to the all of the type of vehicles, it's respect to the color. Tell me, Judy, what is 15 over 25? No, 15 over 28. What is 15 over 28? 15 over 28. 0 point? 0.53? What? 0.53 what? Okay, anyways, just write this and we'll continue, inshallah, when we come back, okay? The same question. It's okay even if you write just 60 and 40. It's okay even if you write just 60 and 40. I will continue with the same question, okay? Happy weekend, a long weekend, 10 days. Enjoy your holidays.